Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite, at the first you have to open the settings. Next you have to go for connection and sharing, tap on the printing and use system print service. And as you can see right now, our smartphone connects automatically to this printer. So right now we have to go back and I will show you how we can print something. I think that good example will be on this picture. So let's enter for it, then click right here, and to print you have to select on this printer icon, then you have to select your printer, and to print you have to click right here. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.